Hey guys, welcome to an exciting and interesting video of the Grove Starter Kit for Arduino by Seeedstudio. In this video, I will do a quick unboxing and a getting started of the Grove Starter Kit for Arduino. So, what is Grove? Prototyping has never been easier ever before. Grove allows you to say goodbye to soldering or using a breadboard for all prototyping needs. You can simply start using our Grove modules just by plug and play. It is now compatible with many development platforms including Arduino, Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone, and more. The Grove Starter Kit contains a base shield, multitude of sensors and actuators including support for audio, light, motion, tactile, and other interaction modes. Each Grove module comes with clear documentation and demo code to help you get started quickly, so you can start messing around at once with a wide variety of projects. Now, let's do a quick unboxing of the Grove Starter Kit for Arduino. So now we have all the necessary hardware to start building many different projects based on this starter kit. Now that we have all the hardware, nothing can be done without any kind of software. So let's start by setting up the necessary software to play with all this hardware. First, we need to download the Arduino IDE because that's where we will write all our codes. So let's download the Arduino IDE by visiting arduino.cc and then choose Software, Downloads, and select the relevant installer based on your operating system. I will choose Windows installer here because we will be using a Windows operating system. Wait a few seconds until the download is finished. Next, we will download the Grove Starter Kit sketchbook. This sketchbook contains all the libraries and example codes needed to play with all the modules that come with the starter kit. So let's go ahead and visit this GitHub link. I will include this link in the video description down below. Then download it as a zip file and wait a few seconds. After the download is finished, make sure to place the file under Documents, Arduino. Finally, extract the file. Now that we have downloaded all the necessary software and files, let's open up the Arduino IDE. We will import the downloaded sketchbook by specifying the location of the sketchbook. Go to File, Preferences, and browse for the sketchbook location and point out to the location where we place the sketchbook. Now it's time to connect the Arduino Uno board to the laptop and wait for the driver to get automatically installed. Afterwards, select the board from Tools, Board, Arduino Genuino Uno. Then select the relevant port according to your board. Now that we have set up all the software, it's time for us to dive deep into the Grove ecosystem. First of all, let's have a look at the base shield. This shield allows you to connect up to 16 Grove modules and start prototyping very quickly and easily. This has 4 analog connectors, 7 digital connectors, 4 I2C connectors, and 1 UART connector. Now we will connect the base shield on top of the Arduino board just like this and start building projects right away. Remember we downloaded and imported the Grove Starter Kit sketchbook before? Well, we will be using that sketchbook along with the Grove modules to build simple demos based on the example codes provided in the sketchbook. First, let's start with the Grove LCD RGB backlight. We will now connect this module to the I2C port of the base shield. Open the Arduino IDE and select the Hello World example. Then upload the code to the Arduino by clicking the Upload button. Now you guys can see the output on the LCD just like this. Pretty easy, huh? Without further ado, let's move on to another demo by using the Grove potentiometer and the Grove servo. Start by connecting the potentiometer to A0 and the servo to D3 port. Go into the Arduino IDE and select the servo example. Then upload the code to the Arduino by clicking the upload button. Now you guys can see that I'm controlling the position of the servo using potentiometer by turning it in both directions. Simple as that. If you guys want to play more with the starter kit, you can have a look at the wiki page of the starter kit by visiting this URL and familiarize with all the modules to start building more advanced projects based on them. We have also included all the software libraries needed to play with all these Grove modules. So guys, that is it for the Grove starter kit for Arduino. Today we are excited to hold our second giveaway and the winners will be awarded with this awesome starter kit. So what are you waiting for? Write down your coolest project idea in the comment section of the video down below and win yourself a starter kit to turn your idea into a reality. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our new product releases and many more interesting videos as well. Thanks for watching.